got this oven on max heat, so it's gonna go in around, this goes up to like 250, so 250 for about 10 minutes, then turn it right down to about 150, and you're gonna roast it for about an hour.
Thinks he's a big man. Oh, fuck.
Been cooking for about an hour and 40 minutes, low heat, around 160. So we're gonna just stick it under the grill, max heat. We're just gonna watch it puff up. Do this. Ooh, it's looking fire. Ooh.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, that is ridiculous. It's so moist. That's the best one you made so far.
It's jalapeno. Actually, the only reason why I put it in was because it was cooling down, so I had to wedge the pork.
Jalapeno. Let's try some omelette du fromage. Oh, you've already tried it?
Yeah. I went in.
Thinks he's better. Oh, hell yeah. Yeah, the crackling came out good.
I didn't think it would come out that good, actually.
Crackling like this? Crackling like this?